Introducing Magento 2 Marketplace Buyer-Seller Chat, enabling customers to connect with sellers instantly through a built-in live chat system. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is our Magento 2 admin panel. Now click on Stores and then Configuration. After clicking on Configuration, you can see the module name, which is Buyer-Seller Chat. Here, you will find several options, including server settings and email settings. Let's start with the module configuration. Here, you will see the host name field, where you need to enter your host name. Next is the port number, where you can enter your port number. You can also use this button to start or stop the server. Here is the chat name field. You can enter a chat name that will be displayed on both the seller and customer ends. Next, configure the maximum allowed size for attachments. You will find two options to enable the module, with HTTPS and without HTTPS. Currently, it is enabled without HTTPS. To enable the module with HTTPS, click on Yes. After that, three additional options will appear: server.key file, server.crt file, and server.cab bundle file. You need to upload these files to complete the configuration. Currently, HTTPS is disabled, so I will select No. Here, you can choose the email template for offline customers. After completing the configuration, click on Save Configuration, and the settings will be saved successfully. This was from the admin end. Now we will move to the seller end. After enabling the module from the admin end, I am now logged in as a seller. I will click on the Vendor Dashboard. On the Vendor Dashboard, the seller can see the chat system where all customer conversations are listed. The seller can also search for any customer easily. Here, the seller gets options like Minimize, Scale Page Layout, and Overlay. From this section, the seller can mute or unmute notifications. The seller can also set their chat status based on their preference, such as online, busy, or offline. Next, we have account settings. Here, the seller can update their profile picture by selecting an image and cropping it accordingly. Then click on Use Photo and the Update button. This will update the seller's profile picture. To start chatting with a customer, the seller needs to click on the customer's profile. Once the seller clicks on the customer's name, the chat system will open. From here, the seller can send messages to the customer. The seller can also visit the customer's profile. In the Profile section, the seller can view details such as address, phone number, gender, base total, and orders. Additionally, by clicking on the View Order button, the seller can see all the orders placed by the customer, which are listed there. The seller can also block a customer by clicking on Block Customer. Here, they need to enter the reason for blocking and then click on Save. This will block the customer, and they will no longer be able to chat with the seller. To unblock the customer, the seller can simply click on the Unblock icon. This will unblock the customer. The seller can also filter chats based on time. They can view chats from the last 24 hours, last 7 days, or forever chats. The seller can also chat with multiple customers at the same time. By clicking on a customer's name, they can open the chat section for that customer and start chatting. Now, moving to the customer end. Customers need to go to the seller's products page to initiate a chat with the seller. On the products page, customers can see a chat option. From here, they can ask their queries to the seller, and the seller can respond accordingly. Customers also get additional options here. They can change their profile picture by clicking on the profile icon and selecting an image. They can crop the image accordingly, then click on Use Photo and the Update button. This will update the customer's profile picture. Additionally, the customer can set their chat status as online, busy, or offline. They also have the option to mute or unmute chat notifications from here. Here, the customer also gets an option to filter chats based on time, such as last 24 hours, last 7 days, and forever chats. The customer can chat with the seller, share attachments, and also use emojis during the conversation. We can verify the messages on the seller's end. Here, the messages sent by the customer are visible, and the seller can reply to them. The seller's replies will be visible on the customer's end. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.